Nakuha ng Taki. Ramirez, Logan, rebound by Gaetano. Pass to Lil. Go, Logan. Nakuha ni number 28. Pass to Ayon, Logan. Rebound by Go. For three, there, rebound by number 28. Diretso. Pull up jumper, 2 points. Goes to Chua for three. Chua, three. Number 9 to number 11, go! Foul! Two free throw. Score, 3-2. Lamang ang pack out. First attempt, good. Second attempt, good. Score, 5-3. Out of bounds. Taki, ang bola. Number 28 to Zaragoza. Pull up jumper, no good. Rebound by number 22. Pass to Zaragoza. Ramirez. 1-3. No good. Rebound by number 28. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Save ball. Taki na bola. Intercept by number 11 to number 9 to number 22. No good. Rebound by number Zaragoza to number 59. 2 points. 5-4. Naman ang Taki out. Ramirez to number 28 to number 59. Wala. Sayang. Nakawagan ng kamera. Hindi na ako good. Number 29, Gelo. No good. Gelo pa rin. Out of bounds. Taki ng bola. Ramirez. Ginababa ang bola. Ramirez. No good. Foul. 2 shots. First throw, no good. Score, 5-4. Naman ang back out. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 7 seconds. Wala pa rin. Zaragoza. Foul. Naman pa rin ang back out. Gelo, number 29, full jumper. 2 points. Tatlo na ang about. No back out. Zaragoza for 3. Rebound by number 59, 2 points. Foul, pounded. Score, 7-6. On the shot. No good. Rebound by number 29 to Chua. No good. Rebound by number 20. Passes to Zaragoza. To number 28, 2 points. 6-3 na tayo. Lamang na ang Taki. 8-7. Get it off on the run. Out of bounds. Nabitawan bola. Number 28, class of 59, 2 points. 10-7, tatlo na dalawang atake. Liam. Number 3, number 7, last right to number 20. Number 28, foul. Sideball. Pag pumasok yan, Kings Court tayo. Pag pumasok, Kings Court. Out of bounds. Kings Court, Kings Court. Ramirez. Wala. Steal the number 22 to 28 for 3. Nuggets, rebound by Liam. Number 1, number 59 for 3. Nuggets, rebound by number 22 to number 28. That's line for 3. Garland. Out of bounds. Ball and attacking. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 42 seconds. That's that again. 2 points. 15-7. Lumaki na ang mga attacking. Kayo. Dumireto. Wala. Rebound ni Ramirez. Ramirez. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 15 seconds. He's still at the end to go. 2 points, right ball. 15-9. Zaragoza. Tubaras for 3. Nuggets, rebound by Ramirez. Ramirez. Setting up play. Pass to Zaragoza. Rebound by Gato. Pass to home. Here is Gato. No problem. 15-11. Apat na lang. Foul. Lucky foul. Remaining time. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 3 minutes. Ramirez. Zaragoza. Get line. No good. Rebound by Zaragoza. Meron ako ni Gato. Gato. To home. To Gato. 2 points, right? 2-1. Alright, good. 2-1. 15-13. Dalawa na lang. Wala. 2 minutes and 29 seconds. Out of bounds. Back in ang bola. Number 22. Pass to Zaragoza. Zaragoza for 3. Wala. Rebound by Taras. To Ramirez. 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Ramirez for 3. Ramirez. Last 2 minutes. Yeah. Wala. Rebound by Zaragoza. To number 22. 2 points by number 22. He scored 20-13. Balik sa pito. Ang lamang ng taki. 2-1 for 3. Wala. Ramirez. Remaining time 1 minute and 32 seconds. Zaragoza. Foul. Sideball. 20-13. that. 21-19, one down the line. Up on three. Winner, Yvonne Shin. What up, buddy? Now boy number 22. Derecho. Bola. Out of bounds. Go for three. Bola. Yvonne again. Turn it on. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Hello. Out of bounds. Ramirez. Last 39 seconds.